When I was first trying to make money online, it was all about trying to grow, becoming popular on YouTube. I remember seeing all of the rich people that I watched on YouTube and they were all popular. So I thought, to get rich, I have to get popular. And actually, after months of trial and error, pain and figuring things out, I did get popular. In fact, I started getting millions of views on some of my videos. And I started making enough money to not have to go to a job anymore. And I became a full-time YouTuber. However, that actually became a curse because I started needing to get millions of views in order to stay afloat and be able to pay my bills. This was really stressful and unsustainable, and there's a better way which I'm going to share with you today. First, I'm going to give you the proof because without the proof, it's basically worthless. And then I'm going to tell you how to do it. Think about it. How did everyone that's really rich on YouTube start? People like Alex Hormozi, Iman Gadzhi, all of those big entrepreneurs that now sell courses and all of that stuff. They got rich by making something really expensive and only selling it to a handful of people. Think about it. Alex Hormozi got rich because of his thing called Gym Launch. He would literally fly out to gyms and basically build your gym for you, like make your membership base, and he would essentially just launch your gym and get you like loads of members, and then he'd keep all the money for himself, all the sign up money, and then just leave and repeat with another gym. So basically he got a bunch of money from the sign-ups, from the new sign-ups that he created, and the gym owner got a bunch of free members from him. Iman Gadzhi did social media marketing, but all social media marketing is just a really premium, high ticket, expensive service done for not that many people. And people get rich like this all the time. There's this guy called Kai Nemza, and he used to make Geometry Dash YouTube shorts, and he literally has over 1 billion views on his channel. Yet that didn't make him as much money as you'd expect. Now, instead, he provides a premium service for $1,000 per month, and he basically makes you viral thumbnails and titles and essentially helps you one-to-one with your YouTube channel. And he got 57 people to sign up for that. Think about it, to make $57,000 per month, how many courses and how many low-ticket things you'd have to sell, and just how big your audience would have to be. I mean, this exact thing happened to me. I sold $300,000 worth of my game on my first YouTube channel, the one that I spoke about at the beginning of this video, but I needed a lot of eyes on my product to make that much money. I literally needed tens of thousands of people to make a decent amount of money. But it doesn't have to be that way. The thing that made me realize the value of this is that right now, I help people make money with their hobby so that they can quit their 9-to-5. That's the thing I sell on this channel. And each person that I help pays me hundreds of dollars per month to help them do this. I make as much money on this channel right now that I used to make when I got millions of views on the first channel, and that's what made me realize the value of this. You don't need that many views to make a good amount of money. In fact, you need a lot less than you think. So if you want my personal help to quit your job within 3 months and start making money from your hobby, click the link in the description right now. All of a sudden, if you're doing it this way, selling something more expensive, that way you need less sales, you only need like 2 or 3 people to buy from you to make enough money to quit your job. And that means you don't actually need that many views. In fact, it's probably better to get less views but attract the right person. Think about it. This video is probably only going to get a few hundred, maybe max a few thousand views if it hits the algorithm. Yet this video is going to get me way more sales than a video of someone talking with Subway Surfers put like next to the clip that gets maybe 200,000 views. Videos like that don't get you any sales. Videos like this do, because they attract the right person. If you want money right now, this is the best way, because yeah, courses and low ticket stuff will make you a lot of money, but they require you to already be popular. The best way is to start selling something expensive now, build your audience along the way whilst making the money, And then, once you're already popular, sell something lower ticket like all the other influencers. Remember, it's not wise to copy what they're doing right now. It's way more wise to look at where they started and copy that instead. And I actually realized this myself recently because I made a course on this channel and I actually had to refund everybody that bought it because I realized that this isn't the way forward for a channel of this size. Instead, I'm doubling down on the one-to-one work and actually making it more expensive, but giving way more of my attention to the individual people. And I think that's the better way to do it. And inevitably, that brings you to a choice. Do you want to be a YouTuber first or an entrepreneur first? Think about why you're doing this, because you most likely just want to make enough money to not have to work a job anymore. If you prioritize entrepreneurship first, the YouTuber thing, it will come down the line, but it's better if you made more money quicker right now, because right now you're in pain and you want to escape that. So say right now, your hobby is playing guitar and you want to make money from playing guitar. It's going to be way better if you give one person a crazy amount of your time and attention rather than trying to sell one cheaper thing to a bunch of people. And that's because of the following phenomenon. If a 1,000 view video gets you, let's say, 50 potential buyers, if you have a course for $50, 5 of those 50 buyers would have bought it. So that's $250. But what you don't know is that in the background, one of those people might have bought something from you that's more like $500, $1,000. So all of a sudden, you would have made twice, maybe 4 times the amount of money. And it's because the price of what you're selling and the amount of people that buy it doesn't actually scale in a linear way. So pick a type of person you want to make content for. And then think of something that's literally worth hundreds of dollars per month to them. Think of something and just set up a page that you can sell it on. If you want inspiration, you can check out my product in the description. Then just start making YouTube videos for that person specifically for a few months. And now you don't need that many views. If you start getting a couple of 100 views per video, you're gonna get sales pretty quickly. You will get to $1,000 a month pretty fast if you do this. But the problem is, a lot of people watching this video won't do it because of something called limiting beliefs. There's a lot of things that comes into this, like charging a lot of money makes you, you might not think you're worth that. You might have a bunch of these beliefs stopping you from doing this. Stop listening to them. The faster you can dismiss them, the better. I literally wasted years of my life because of these bad beliefs that I had to get rid of. If you literally just pick a niche, make something expensive that's actually worth it, keep making videos for a month, you will be on $1,000 a month at the end of that month. If you want my personal help with this, I will literally help you through every step. I'll do a lot of it for you. Then click the link in the description right now. I'll see you in the next video.